To install the Microsoft Store on your Windows laptop, in case for some reason you don't have it, then you simply need to go to any browser, and then in the URL bar, just type apps.microsoft.com. So apps.microsoft.com. There you go. So if you go to that website, which is the official Microsoft website, you can see apps from Microsoft that you can install on your computer. So you can come here to the search function and search Microsoft Store. Hit enter, and you will see results for the Microsoft Store app. So it says you can download or reinstall the official Microsoft app, Microsoft Store app for the best experience. So you want to click on download, and that app should get downloaded. You can see the installer right there. Just click on save. And once the installer is downloaded, you can now navigate to where it's been saved using File Explorer. Here it is in the downloads folder. Double click on it, and that's going to install the Microsoft Store. Now, I already have it, so I don't need to install it again. But if you didn't have it, you can just double click like that, and it's going to install. Now, mine is checking for updates because I do have that app. Okay, but that's how you do it in case you didn't have it. Thanks for watching, and good luck.